Always struggling with your bulky, heavy garden hose? You know the tangles and the frustration. Introducing the next generation of garden hoses, the stainless steel, ultra-durable, ultra-flexible Forever Steel hose. Forever Steel will last a lifetime. So lightweight it can be carried by a child. The Forever Steel hose can't tangle or kink like any of those other hoses. Look at how it flexes and flexes. Other hoses can get knotted up and stop working, but even tied in multiple knots, Forever Steel hose keeps on working. The secret to Forever Steel hose is the incredibly strong professional-grade stainless steel outer casing with its advanced flex ridge design. It's as strong as armor. Ordinary hoses are no match for tree clippers, but the Forever Steel hose bends those sharp blades like butter. We tried to grind it down, and Forever Steel stays strong. And look, this commercial lawnmower shreds an ordinary hose, but it can't make a dent in Forever Steel hose. We ran it over and then tried the connector. There's no way to damage Forever Steel. With its advanced materials, the Forever Steel hose is weatherproof and UV resistant. It won't rust or corrode. And because it's made with 304 stainless steel, it can sit in the hot Florida sun all day and still stay cool to the touch. The Forever Steel hose can handle any weather. This hose was left out in a blizzard, completely frozen. It's still totally flexible. The Forever Steel hose's unique design lets you reach farther and higher than other hoses. Call or go online now to order your Forever Steel hose, and when you order, ask about larger Forever Steel hoses. No matter what kind of conditions, you need the Forever Steel hose. The one garden hose you'll own forever.
Look at all those dandelions. Along with that many little gold imperfections could mean back strain from bending, sore knees from kneeling, or a whole lot of toxic herbicide. But not with our weeders. Whether you have a lot of invasive plants in your yard or just a few, our innovative weeders make removing weeds almost effortless. Simply position the head over a weed and step down on the foot platform to drive the serrated claws into the ground and give that pesky little invader a hug. Pull back and the claws will grab the weed and its roots and pull it cleanly from the soil. Then eject the weed from the claws with one simple motion. Just like that, you're done. When it's this easy, you may find yourself weeding every lawn in the neighborhood.
Back in 1947, Melnor introduced its first oscillating sprinkler, with gentle watering covering a large area. Since then, innovation after innovation have led to the Minimax, the compact oscillating sprinkler that waters as much area as full-size sprinklers while offering greater flexibility. Minimax is simple to adjust. You can alter the width to spray just what you need, without wasting water on the sidewalk or driveway. You can easily tailor the coverage to a wide or narrow lawn. Easily set the coverage to the left, to the right, or both. It's perfect for super narrow areas, like the side lawn of a house. Simple sliders let you set the range of the sprinkler motion. You can modify the forward motion, the backward motion, or both. Sometimes you just need to water a small area. No problem. A unique zoom feature adjusts the overall area in a single setting, easily reducing or increasing the coverage. Finally, the 360-degree pivoting head is ideal for hitting just the right area without tugging or repositioning the hose. Even the smallest adjustments are quick and easy. The Minimax comes in two models, one on a sled base for easy movement, the other on a step spike for sturdy positioning. Both with the same coverage and adjustability, providing years of gentle watering and lush green lawns.
Before using the trimmer, be sure to dress suitably and wear the proper safety gear, such as standard work gloves, eye protection, closed-toe shoes, and long-fitting pants. To reduce the risk of power failure or electric shock, be sure to use a proper outdoor extension cord that is in good condition. Use one that is heavy enough to carry the current your product will draw. An AWG size of at least 16 gauge is recommended for an extension cord 50 feet or less in length. The smaller the gauge number, the heavier the cord. An undersized cord will cause a drop in line voltage, resulting in loss of power and overheating. Extension cords exceeding 100 feet are not recommended. Be sure to always use the strain relief hook when using the tool to ensure that the extension cord does not accidentally disconnect. When dealing with tall grass and weeds, cut from the top down. Gradually cut into grass by using the tips of the strings. When cutting, be sure to not bury or force the trimmer head into tall grass. Maintaining a proper handle position will also maximize the trimmer's efficiency. Simultaneously keep a firm grip on both the rear and front handles. Comfortably hold the trimmer with the rear handle about hip height. Keep the trimmer tilted toward the area being cut and move the trimmer from side to side to avoid debris being thrown at the operator. Also, be sure to avoid hitting trees, shrubs, wood moldings, siding, and fence posts, which can also easily be damaged by the strings, as well as wear out the strings more rapidly. To advance the strings using the auto feed head, run the trimmer by holding down the trigger switch on the handle. Release the trigger to stop the trimmer. Wait 2 seconds and then press the trigger again. The strings will automatically advance. Be aware that the string will not stay advanced beyond the line cutter, which is there to maintain the proper length for the string line. To advance the strings manually, first disconnect the power cord. Push in the spool retainer button and pull on the strings. Be sure to pull the strings out to the line cutter. Make sure to only use 0.065-inch diameter monofilament string with this string trimmer. Additionally, if grass does become wrapped around the string head, stop the trimmer, unplug it, and simply remove the grass. For easy and proper edging, lower the flower guard into the down position. Rotate the handle and begin cutting. When the trimmer runs out of string line, there are two different solutions for replacing it. Either install a new pre-wound spool or take the current spool and manually load new string into it.